Takeastep takes you to Open House Central Embassy, which is located near to BTS Chit Lung. Welcome to the ultimate shopping experience at Open House Central Embassy, Bangkok. Join us as we take you on a virtual tour of Open House, a captivating world of luxury and creativity nestled within. Central Embassy, Bangkok's iconic shopping destination. Discover the fusion of contemporary design, artistry, and premium retail. Cultural elements and modern aesthetics, creating a captivating ambience that sets the stage for a truly unique shopping journey, a retail wonderland. Get ready to indulge in a curated selection of high-end fashion, exquisite accessories, cutting-edge technology, lifestyle products from global brands. Artistry and beyond. Discover an array of art installations and exhibitions that add an artistic touch to your shopping experience. Be inspired by the thought-provoking displays that seamlessly blend art and retail, creating an environment unlike any other. Events and exclusives. Promotions hosted regularly at Open House. From fashion shows to interactive workshops, there's always something exciting happening that caters to every taste and interest. Culinary delights. Take a culinary journey through Open House's diverse selection of cafes and restaurants, offering a tantalizing variety of cuisines. Savor delectable flavors and unwind in